Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero. This is a fantastic way to personalize your invoices with your company's branding, making your business look more professional and polished to your clients. Let's jump right in and get this set up for you. First, open your browser and head over to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see several menu options. Click on Sales in that top navigation. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your sales activities. From this drop-down, go ahead and select Sales Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for how your sales documents are formatted and presented. Once you're in the Sales Settings area, you'll see several sections available for customization. Look for the option labeled Invoice Settings and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how your invoices appear and function, giving you control over the visual and operational aspects of your billing documents. It's a crucial step because this is where Xero stores all your branding themes and invoice templates. Now that you're in Invoice Settings, you'll notice an option that says New Branding Themes, usually marked with a plus sign. Click on this button to start creating your custom template. This feature allows you to build multiple branding themes if you work with different types of clients or projects, giving you flexibility in how you present your invoices. After clicking New Branding Themes, a dialog box labeled Branding Theme will appear on your screen. The first thing you'll need to do here is type in a name to identify this theme. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your business, like Main Brand Template or Client A Invoices. This naming convention will help you quickly identify which template to use when creating invoices later on. Next, you'll see various branding options available for customization. This is where the magic happens. You can choose to upload your company logo, which will appear at the top of your invoices, giving them that professional branded look. You'll also be able to select fonts that match your brand's style guide, ensuring consistency across all your business communications. Additionally, you can set default invoice settings such as payment terms, tax configurations, and any standard notes or messages you want to include on every invoice. Take your time here to ensure everything aligns with how you want your business to be represented. Finally, once you've configured all your branding options and are satisfied with how your custom template looks, click the Save button. This will create and store your new branding theme in Xero, making it available whenever you need to create an invoice. You can now apply this template to any new invoice you generate, ensuring a consistent, professional appearance across all your billing. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom invoice template in Xero that reflects your brand identity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.